How to turn off saving videos on TikTok. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your TikTok application and it will look like this. Now the next thing that you want to do to turn off the automatic saving videos is on the bottom part you'll see five different options there, right? Tap on the middle part there which you will create content, and all you have to do is to create a content here, for example this content. And then the next thing that you want to do is on the bottom part you will see the check mark there. Tap on the check mark and tap on next. Here you will see a lot of options. Here you will see the tag people, the location, so on and so forth, but I want you to look for the more options here, the three dots. Tap on that and scroll down up until you go here to your advanced settings, then tap on save to device, toggle that off, and basically whenever you post a video or create a content, it will automatically toggle off the save to device here. And basically that's it. Now if you plan to save all your videos, then what you can do is to just toggle that back on. And basically that's it. That is how you turn off saving videos on TikTok, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.